Hi there, today we're going to make some lamb kebabs. I've got 250 grams of minced lamb here, which I'm going to put into a bowl. We've got some cumin, coriander and some salt and pepper. There's about a teaspoon of each cumin and coriander and a pinch of salt and pepper. And I add that to our minced lamb. A small amount of Tabasco, or if you like it a little bit hotter, you can add a bit more. 50 grams of white breadcrumbs. And a clove of garlic. I'm going to crush that. The cloves are small, put a little bit more in. And I'm going to mix it up with my hands, making sure you wash your hands and that you wash them properly afterwards as well. Right. And that's mixed well. Got a couple of wooden skewers here for the kebabs, and I've got my tray to go on the grill. Gonna make some balls out of the minced lamb mix and thread them onto our skewers. And there's the second one. Just make sure you wash your hands well because you've had raw meat in your fingers. Okay, that's one side. Let's put our grill on. And while that's heating up, I'm just going to prepare our tzatziki. It's yogurt, garlic, and some mint, and some cucumber. So I've got a quarter of cucumber here, which I'm going to grate into a bowl. And some garlic cloves, which I'm going to crush. Throwing away bits of cucumber. Going on. And some Greek yogurt. Probably a couple of 100 mils of Greek yogurt. And a few chopped leaves to put in. ready. Just going to put our lamb skewers on the grill. And they take about 15 minutes, so we'll have a look at them in a minute. Right, our lamb skewers have been in for about 15 minutes now, so I'm going to take them out of the grill. I've already put our pizzas in the toaster, so they'll be popping up in a second. Just be careful, these are quite hot. I'm just going to take those off the skewer. They look really nicely cooked. You can always cut them open to check they're cooked all the way through. But about 15 minutes is ample time. Our hot pizzas. We've got our tzatziki here as well. So I'm going to open up our pizza. A little bit of tzatziki in it. And a couple of the kebab balls. If you like, you can have a bit of salad with it as well, some tomatoes and onions, which adds to the flavour. Or just a bit of mixed lettuce or something as well. It's all preference of what you like. And there you go, lamb kebabs. Thanks for watching.